my loves. I remember buying you as an emergency after losing my $250 Puma safety shoes only 2 days into the road trip. I was barefoot walking into a Walmart in California, thinking you'd be just a short-term replacement. And this was back in August 2020. Now, 5 years later, after being lost and found more times than I can count, after becoming ragged and broken, it's time to say goodbye. You carried me through rain, snow, sand and mud. You were a constant in my life. Together, we drove 3 trucks, Doina V2, Max and most recently Bob, and crossed countless provinces and states. I put you to minus 38 Celsius and plus 45, and even helped me check the tires with your steel plate. Strangers saved you more than once, shouting in traffic or honking that I forgot you again on the truck steps. Those are bittersweet memories I'll always smile at and always cherish. The hoarder and sentimental part of me doesn't want to let you go. It wants to keep you until my own journey ends. But today, I have to say goodbye. Thank you for taking care of me, even though I rarely took care of you.